Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this clean, super dewy look. To be honest, you guys will hear throughout the video, I did not mean for this to be as dewy as it came out. I also tell you guys in the video, I need more clean beauty products, but I just wanted to step into the world of clean beauty. I'm really trying to find alternatives to products that I love and just trying to go more towards the clean beauty side. This isn't going to be something overnight, of course, you guys, but it is something I'm trying to do. I would love to use products that are better for my skin. You know, your skin is your biggest organ. A lot of these beauty products have endocrine disruptors, and so especially for us women, we have to be really careful about that. In this video, I also give thoughts on the new products that I'm trying. I am really excited to get more into this clean beauty journey. I also want to thank you guys in advance for being so patient with me because this video has been a struggle. I don't know what's going on with me today. It's just a struggle to talk, to film, to do makeup. My skin is itching. I don't know what's going on. I need to go take this off. There's like fuzzies flying, so like there's something in my nose. This is not my best tutorial. I'm just letting you guys know. It's not, but you know, we're gonna roll with it. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. And as I'm approaching 30, I'm like, I want to really take care of myself from the inside out, but also from the outside in. One of the best resources that was shared with me from my friend Kelly is Credo Beauty. Credo Beauty is basically like a Sephora, but for clean brands. I ordered some stuff from Credo, but it's not here yet. However, there were some brands that were on Credo that were also on Sephora, and Sephora was quick shipping, and so I got some stuff from Sephora and some stuff from Credo. Let's get into a couple of the clean brands that I purchased from. One of them is Westman Atelier. I actually did not know that this was a clean brand. The thing with clean beauty that I've noticed, of course, hinting from the word clean, the longevity on the skin is not always there. And it's very dewy and skin-like, which is great, but what I've realized, the reason for that is some of these ingredients can be extremely toxic to your body, especially these long wear ingredients. It basically is long wear chemicals in your body, okay? It's sad because I love double wear foundation. I do not think this is going to be an overnight change for me. I think this is like a slow and steady journey of me finding what works, trying to research more and test more products so I can see like, okay, what can I add to my kit? What can I replace? Just wanted to try these products on camera with you guys and kind of get a feel for them. So I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit more. And I actually don't have any powder. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Let's get into it. First things first, I prep my skin with these two products. These are two clean beauty brands and the products are actually really good. I've been enjoying them a lot. This one is the Weleda Skin Food. I actually heard about this from a makeup artist. Her name is Chandler West. I didn't even realize this was a clean beauty brand. I bought it a little bit ago and it feels so good on the skin. This is the Ilia, the Face Base Milk. Wait, the Base Face Milk. And it is so good. I use it after I use a toner. I'm sure you could put this. No, this is the lightweight moisturizing barrier renewal complex. I can't speak today. I don't know if Say is a clean beauty brand. Hold our horses. Say is considered a clean beauty brand that aims to make sustainable, non-toxic makeup. Say's products are free from many chemicals. I don't see Say on Credo Beauty. I don't know if that means that it's like not clean. Like anything you buy off of there, you know 100% it's clean. We're going to use Say because I looked it up and it said it was a clean beauty brand. I'm sorry, you guys. I realized that I don't even have a foundation that's clean. Maybe all of this won't be clean. We're going to start off with the Say Sun Glow Glowy Super Gel in Sunglow. Now fudge. I'm gonna use my phone. And I actually like putting this on the cheek over here and just pushing it down a little bit. Not pushing it down, but I like keeping it on the cheek. Something about the Say Super Glowy Gel, it is a gel consistency. you cannot use it with something like the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It will start to like crack and break underneath. I'm actually going to use the Kosas Concealer today, and I've seen many people use these two in combination. So again, depending on our skin, we'll see how this goes with my skin. I'm gonna underpaint, and I'm really excited to try Westman Atelier. This is the Face Trace Contour Stick in Truffle. Okay, I did get the minis because Westman Atelier is a more expensive brand. However, I feel like this is going to be really nice. Oh, okay, I put a lot on, wait. I don't have a mirror, you guys, and I'm kind of just going with it. Because we're not using any eyeshadow, I'm going to take this and put it in the crease. Okay, and then we're gonna go here. And we're gonna go here and here. Remember, I only touch the chin when I am underpainting. We're going to blend this out with our HF1. I'm really off my game today. I am using the HF1, the Hudani Beauty brush. And this is an everyday look, so we're not looking to have a super sculpted face per se. We're looking for color. We're looking for color. I need to get a mirror. I really like this Westman Atelier stick. I definitely used a good amount of product. It's okay. This is why I'm underpainting. Wait, is it? Hold on. No, it's not mixing weird with the Say Glowy Gel. Why am I breaking out of nowhere? Might be the Say Gel. This has like never happened before, but my skin started feeling weird when I put this on. I don't know if it's mixing with something in here, but okay, my face is a little itchy. We're going to use the Merit foundation stick, and I am in the shade Khaki. Be aware that there is no official standard for clean beauty, but Merit has the highest standards for safe and effective ingredients. Okay, hold on. Well, I do like this foundation stick. It is nice. So now I'm going to take the Kosas Concealer, and this is in the shade 4N. I've actually tried this color out. I tried it out today in the morning, and it was cute. It is a little bit bright, but that's what I like. I'm just going to pat this out, and as soon as I pat it out, I'm going to start taking the excess here. It is a very pigmented concealer, so I do like that. I like Kosas as a clean brand. Kosas is really good. I find that their products have lasting power. I haven't tried Ilia's makeup. I don't think I would try a lot of their makeup, if I'm being honest. This is really nice, so I would stick with that, but I don't know. I'm not like, ooh, I want to try all of their makeup. You know what I'm saying? Like Westman Atelier, I'm like, yes, I want to try your makeup. Again, because this is an everyday look, you guys, I'm not trying to overdo it. That's why I didn't take the concealer everywhere. I just took the excess in other places that I normally would take concealer. I don't, unfortunately, have a clean blush to use. Okay, I want to see if Nudestix is a clean brand. I don't know. Let's take this, and I am taking the color Picante. No, you haven't seen me use this on YouTube. And I'm just going to take this over here. Also put a little bit in on my eye. Especially with these more dewy products, you want to pat, you don't want to rub, because when you're rubbing, you're just removing the product essentially. When you're patting, you're placing the product on your skin. I don't know if this is a clean brand, but I'm taking the Kojen Dough powder. I'm going to take some of the powder, and I'm going to take a clean HF1. And before I set this under eye area, I'm just going to pat it out, because again, we never want to set creasing. Because the HF1 is duo fiber, you can use it with cream and powder products. I have this powder in my kit too, and I have one for myself. It is so nice. You don't need it. Like, if you're gonna break your bank buying it, you don't need it. But it is a really nice powder. I love a glowy cheek, like face, but I don't want to look like I'm just like wet and like sweating. I'm also going to take the Sun Show Bronzer by Kosas in Escape. And I'm actually going to take the HF1 and the one that I use for the powder. And I'm going to start by putting this in my eye area. And I'm just kind of patting it in here. And that's giving us depth, as you can see, on top of the Westman Atelier. Now, you don't have to do this step. It's just nice because with this clean makeup, you still want to set it, you know? Again, if you want the longevity of this to be even better, you want to set these products with a powder. And since, you know, we're focusing on clean beauty, a clean beauty powder. So your under eye, you can set with the Kosas Cloud Powder if you want. I personally have not used it. I don't know, I might try to use it. I'm also taking the bronzer on top of my cheek over here, whatever excess. And then I'm actually going to go back in with the Picante. I like blush. You don't have to do this. I like blush though. So even on top of that powder, it's not caking or anything because these powders are very sheer and thin and skin-like. So you're not going to have an issue with putting these creams on top. I do have this Westman Atelier highlighting stick and it's in the shade Peach. No, it's in the shade Lit Up. And so I'm going to take this on my eyelid. And we're gonna do that. I feel like my cheek is so dewy right now. I don't really want to do that. I clearly maybe need to add more clean beauty products to my routine. Because, especially powders, I need to order more powders because this is just, this is not my vibe. Like, this is way too dewy. We're just gonna go with it. Oh my god, I can smell my chicken. Ugh, I gotta go check on it. But I'm gonna finish this. My eyelash curler is an Inglot, not clean, but you know. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this Ilia mascara out. And I actually got the Fullest Volumizing mascara. And this is what the wand looks like. Let's see. Oh, let me zoom you guys in. Do you see how wet my skin is though? Holy crap. It's too wet. It's way too wet. Oh, that's cute. This is nice. I also think my skin is so dewy right now that some of the dewness has gotten into my lashes. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, I definitely feel that way. Me and these other makeup artists were talking about that. How clean beauty is just a very dewy. I mean, it makes sense. Skin-like, clean. But I don't, like, I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. I like the mascara. I actually like the mascara a lot. Last but not least, I do not have a clean lip liner, so I'm just going to go in straight with this Tower 28 lip gloss. And it is a Milky lip jelly, actually, in the color Pistachio. I feel like this is going to be really... Oh, it's really pretty. Oh my gosh, it's the first time I've seen it. That's cute. Girl, this is going to be my new favorite lip jelly. Or my new favorite lip. It doesn't really smell like anything. This is the finished look. It is extremely dewy. And I don't think it's the makeup's fault per se. I think I need to buy more clean beauty products and try them out and have more in my collection. That way my makeup doesn't look like this. But working with the products I do have, I'm not loving this. I think it's just like too dewy for my liking. I really did love the Westman Atelier sticks. They're really beautiful formula. I don't know. My skin is kind of on and off itchy ever since I put this on. I probably shouldn't have put this on under my makeup. because it's giving like overly dew. You know what I'm saying? I think had I gone without this, I would have loved this look a lot more. This lip jelly, this lip jelly, it's so good. So good. Also, I'm really loving the mascara. The mascara is beautiful. This is a win for me. Another thing that I really like is the Kosas Concealer. This is beautiful. I definitely am going to redo a clean everyday beauty look. I think for people who are drier, you would love this. You would love how over time, because some people truly don't get oily, even in the summer, like their skin is just dry. They do not get oily. And so this would be pretty for you. It is not all the makeup. It is 1000% me not having enough of these products to complete a full look. Some of these products were not like super clean, but they are more on the cleaner side. Anyways, if you guys have any clean beauty product recommendations, please leave it down below, especially powders, or I don't know if there's anything matte in the clean beauty world. I do want to try the Westman Atelier foundation stick. I don't know if that's matte though. I hope you enjoy a very realistic, non-glamorous tutorial. I was struggling a little bit in this video. I was, and even as an artist, I struggle. I'm not perfect. I don't aim to be perfect in any way, shape, or form, okay? Yeah. This is gonna be a fast tutorial. I'm editing a lot of this out. Oh my god, I gotta go check on the chicken! Just give me all the tea. I need all the clean beauty tea. I never have short nails, but my best friend is getting married on Friday and we were like, we're gonna go cute and classy. It's taking me forever to just simple look. Okay, bye. Here's a big hug. I love you. See you next time. Bye.